To erase objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your camera and then select a photo where you want to erase object. In this case, I'm going to try to erase this bottle right here. So now if we have our photo, we can click on this pen button to start editing. Inside of the editing tool, we need to click on this button right here, and then we can click on more and OK. Now it will enter AI eraser. You can then select a specific image on the screen in AI eraser and then erase it from the image. It will try to replicate a background behind that object, and then it should be fully removed from the photo. As you can see, it works great. Even the shadows are gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.